Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M53 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar at the very top. On the third position from the left we've got the timer option, which is currently turned off, which means that your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So let me try it. As you can see, it immediately took a photo. So in order to set the timer, we have to tap on this icon, and as you can see, we've got 3 additional settings, 3 additional options from which we can choose. So we had 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay, I believe. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay. Just tap on it and that's how you set the timer. As you can see, the icon changed slightly. You can check which countdown you've got set. So all we have to do right now is to simply tap on the shutter button, and it did not catch my touch. So as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. And basically it will work the same with all other options. I mean the 5 and 2 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 2 seconds delay, and again I don't know why it is not reacting immediately, but that's okay. So if you want to turn it off, just tap on this icon, which was at the very beginning of this video. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy M53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.